Mrs. Feathers. I'm going to go over your grammar practice pages with you for the week. This week we're jumping ahead a little bit to Unit 6, Week 1. You will be assigned pages 126 to 129. Let's take a look at our first page, page 126. And on this page, we're looking at adverbs. The box at the top tells us that an adverb can tell how, when, where, or how often an action happens. Some adverbs tell how much or how intensely. Transitional words such as the conjunctive adverb therefore can connect two clauses. The relative adverbs where, when, and why can also introduce clauses. On this page, we're going to read each sentence. You're going to underline each adverb and circle any conjunctive or relative adverbs that you find. I will have enough underlines and circles that you should use all of them on this page. Some sentences might only have one underline. Some sentences might have 2 or 3 underlines. And only a couple of sentences will have circles. So the circles will be the words when, where, and therefore. Let's take a look at numbers 1 and 5 together. Number 1 says, I sat patiently on the park bench. A lot of times adverbs end in ly, and adverbs always come before or after the verb. So if you are having a hard time identifying the adverb, look for the verb first and look at the word before and the word after the verb. I see the word patiently ends in ly, and it also comes right after my verb sat. So patiently is the adverb in this sentence. I also want to look at number 5. Number 5 says, they chirped excitedly when I scattered more crumbs. First, I see the word excitedly ends in ly, and it comes right after my verb chirped. And then I see that word when. When is a relative adverb, so I need to circle it. I'm going to give you some hints. Again, I will only have enough circles and underlines to finish the page, so you should use all of them. Number 2 has 1 underline. Number 3 has 1 underline. Number 4 has 2 underlines. We did 5 together. Number 7 has 1 underline. Number 8 has 2 underlines. Number 9 has 3 underlines. And number 10 has 1 circle and 1 underline. This page will be assigned and due on Monday. On Tuesday, you have 2 pages. The first page is page 127. And on this page, you are looking at adverbs before adjectives and other adverbs. So again, an adverb can describe an adjective or another adverb. For this page, we're going to read each sentence, underline each adverb. On the lines provided, write whether each adverb modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Some of these might have more than one. So again, I will only have enough underlines for you to complete the page. Number 1 says, the skier looked anxiously down the mountain. Anxiously is my adverb. It ends in ly. Most adverbs do. And it is modifying the verb, or it is describing the verb looked. So on the line, I'm going to write verb. I also want to take a look at number 3. The snow was accumulating quite quickly. There are two adverbs here. The first one is quite, and the second one is quickly. Now, quite is describing the adverb quickly. So it is modifying an adverb. And then quickly is modifying the verb or describing the verb accumulating. So I have to say what each of my underlines is modifying. All of them only have one adverb except for number 10. Number 10 also has two adverbs. Your second page is page 128, and we're looking at capitalization and abbreviations in letters and emails. The box at the top reminds me that I need to capitalize the first word, all important words, and all proper nouns in a greeting. So your greeting is who the letter or email is going to. So for example, I might say, Dear Mr. G. I would need to capitalize Dear, and I would need to capitalize Mr. G. I capitalize only the first word in a closing. So if I ended my letter or email with your friend, Mrs. Feathers, I would only capitalize your and not friend. Finally, I capitalize the abbreviations commonly used in letters and former emails. For example, Mrs., Mr., Miss, Doctor, and Incorporated. On this page, you're going to read each part of the letter, and on the lines provided, rewrite each part with the correct capitalization. So you are only looking at fixing capital letters. All the punctuation is already correct. So for number 1, it says, to whom it may concern. Because this is the opening of my letter, I capitalize all of the words. You will finish going through looking for capitalization mistakes for 2 through 5. Remember, in your closing, you only capitalize the first word. On Wednesday, you will be assigned page 129, and it is your proofreading page. So you're going to proofread the letter, and on the lines below, correct any mistakes in adverb usage and capitalization. So let's take a look at the beginning of this together. First, I see, Dear board members of Really Fun Games Incorporated. I am missing capital letters in that. Because it's an opening, I need to capitalize all of the words that are important. So, Dear board members of can stay lowercase. Really Fun should be capitalized. Games and Inc. should be capitalized. Now it says, I have an idea for a game that is incredible exciting. There is a mistake in that adverb usage of incredible. It should be incredibly. You will finish going through fixing adverb mistakes and capitalization mistakes. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to any of the ELA teachers, and we will be more than happy to help you. All of your assignments will be due by Wednesday, and your grammar quiz will be on Thursday. Be sure to be looking back at your comments to fix or learn about any of your mistakes. Have a great day, 5th grade. Bye.